Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on pure acid washed, boiled, soft and elegant Tussar silk saree. Here we have a cream color pallu with pink as well, which is vertically alternatively given along with the hand painting design and zari lines. And here we have a contrast pink blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders. The saree here is always demanded very beautiful cream color. The natural Tussar color it is, and we have the hand painting design, the lily concept, water lily and lotus concept, hand painted using the pink and grey shades. We also have the leaves done using green. Very pretty collection with the borders in the pallu color base. Beautiful one, very elegant and classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, hand painted one. Very elegantly done on acid washed boiled Tussar fabric, a lightweight beautiful fabric. On it the hand painting work is done, and here the block print is done in the pallu with zari lines on a beautiful grey finish. The pallu is grey here with a blue blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece to the pallu, but the saree color is same as in the blouse piece color. The saree here is having a beautiful half and half pattern. The top half is plain Ananda blue and the lower half is completely hand painted on the cream base. You can see the beautiful colors, mild greyish green and is used for the painting, leaves and the twigs, and we have the florals done on red and yellow color. Beautiful hand painting work, very artistic fine finish saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, beautiful design done on premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. A very beautiful fabric, and we have a royal blue color pallu, beautiful color, and we have jari border with jari lines in the pallu with same blue color blouse piece. One side we have light sea green color borders. The saree is in a very pretty half white color, dull finish, half white. You can see the floral design, hand painting, beautifully done using the dark blue, magenta and sea green color. Excellent design, beautifully painted artwork. We also have block printed design on the top border in royal blue. The borders are also in the royal blue, which are seen. Excellent work with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a blue with light grey tinge color, very elegant, same color pallu with hand painted design in the pallu, and we also have zari lines, same color plain blouse piece. Both sides we have zari borders with the blouse piece. The complete zari border done here is in golden shade, beautiful color, a very different colored saree with hand paints that is in the lily concept, water lily concept. You can see the leaves that is done in yellow and the lilies done in a pink shade color. Very beautiful one, water lilies done hand painted on a very elegant drab color shade saree and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted with a very beautiful and exclusive batik printed work. You can see the pallu, batik printed pallu on base, half white, blue color is used for the batik printing. You can see the blue in the end of the pallu also. And the same blue is given for the blouse piece with both sides jari border. The saree is in half white color, almost white milky, half white. You can see the beautiful work, completely hand painted one, matching blue and yellow colors, pink are used for the flowers. This is a very different concept here, border, batik on border, jari border. Beautiful one, different one too with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful hand paint design. The pallu, the color of the saree is a navy blue here, beautiful dark shade blue with very elegant hand paints in the pallu. We also have zari lines as usual. The same navy blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The zari used here in the saree is completely antique finish. You can see the color, dark antique finish, golden zari is used. And all over the saree we have beautiful hand paints done in a floral pattern, big flower design. The flowers are done in multiple colors, very elegant colors, and leaves are done in green. And when it goes on, the hand paints continues all over the saree, only in the lower part. The upper part is given plain. Very elegant saree, beautiful color, and the combination of the hand paint is in contrast colors. And saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant hand paint, exclusive designs done on a very pure acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black shade pallu with yellow color used for the hand painting here. Elegant big flower designs. Very beautifully it's hand painted with the zari borders as well, and we have a contrast pallu blouse piece, that is a yellow blouse piece with one side the black borders. It's a very different concept saree. The hand paints here are completely done in the top portion of the body, and when it goes down the hand paint portion decreases and almost only the half and half portion is hand painted and the top half is completely plain yellow. Very elegant one. When it is bad, the black and yellow combination is also really attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, beautiful tussar, acid washed, boiled, a beautiful tussar it is on a deep brown color shade, the coffee brown in a deeper shade it is, a very pretty one. The pallu having very elegant hand painting work on it, and we also have zari lines as usual, and the saree have the beautiful blouse piece, the same running color. You can see the brown concept, it is little under coffee brown shade, and we have all over brush painted design as well with multiple colors along with the florals. Literally a very trendy and beautiful design, latest painting design it is. All over the saree the painting work is done using mainly the pink shades here, pink and yellow. Very elegant and beautiful saree, complete an artwork, handmade with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, boiled, acid washed, beautiful tussar silk saree. On it, hand painting work is done. Here we have an onion peel, light pastel pink shade, same color pallu with the painting done using the cream color here, half white with zari lines as well as the pallu. Same way the blouse piece is also plain with one side hand painting design. It's an elegant, beautiful painting design. The saree completely is in same color, running color concept. The onion peel, pastel shade pink, and complete saree is having the painting work. All over the saree it's painted in the top half, and the lower half we have the plain portion, and the lower half alone we have painting. Beautiful design. It's a trendy and beautiful floral pattern. Elegantly hand painted on a pure tussar silk in a pastel shade saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, a very elegant, soft, acid washed, boiled tussar fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have a very different pallu, a beetroot color given in the edge of the saree, and the blue is also given with stripes pattern which is done using cream color, and we also have zari lines in the saree. And this is the blouse piece. It is a contrast blouse piece in blue, light sky blue color, and the saree here is very different. The top portion is completely in the beetroot pink with the checked pattern, a curving pattern given in the cream, and the lower half is completely a stripes pattern with multi-colors. You can see yellow, green and blue colors alternatively given all over the saree in the stripes pattern. Very different one, almost a partly, again the beetroot portion comes, only in the fleets portion the stripes pattern comes, so it's a partly pallu saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, done on a pure acid washed, boiled, very soft, beautiful tussar silk saree. Here we have a green color pallu with grey on it, and we also have butterfly design, hand painted very elegantly on it, and we have zari lines also. The same green is given for the blouse piece also with the one side grey border. On it the hand painting work is done. That can be used for the sleeves. Very beautiful hand painting design all over the saree. It is kind of a half and half. Top half is completely plain green and the lower half is with the grey, and the grey part is very pretty. You can see the butterflies, the duck portion, everything hand painted using cream and multiple colors. Different and beautiful saree here with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have yellow base and blue base for the pallu, and we have beautiful purple and white used for the hand painting design, and purple is given for the blouse piece also here, the contrast blouse piece with yellow borders in one side. The saree here is very beautiful, a different design. The purple part decreases and the stripes and the yellow part increases, and then we have the teal blue color also in the saree, which comes in the center part of the top, and when it goes to the lower half, it is completely half and half pattern. It's a half saree type. Very elegantly the hand painting is also done. You can see the cream color, and the flowers are done in rustic orange color base. Beautiful one with zari borders in both sides. It's a completely a half saree model with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, hand painted. A very elegant, soft, acid washed, boiled Tassa fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have an yellow and black as well as a mild orange color in the pallu with zari lines. And we have the same yellow blouse piece. Body is also the same color with the hand painting work in between. This is the starting of the saree. We have the black part of the hand paint which is given, and inside it we have a beautiful peacocks, really pretty big size peacocks, very elegantly done using multiple colors. The same concept is done in the vertical way in the lower part. You can see the painting come in the chest part as well as in the leg part of the saree. Otherwise the saree is completely in turmeric yellow. The zari border is also given, and that is on the light red shade. Really different saree, an exclusive collection, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, hand painted, a premium quality Tassa, acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. On it the hand painting work is done here. A very different pallu. Pallu have black base, and on it the sun design is hand painted with zari lines also. And we have a light peach and orange mixed color shade for the blouse piece. Saree is very different. The top half we have the pallu extended till the chest portion with big hand painting designs, multiple colors used for it. And we have the orange part, orange and peach mixed color part coming in the between, and top and bottom we have the black and the hand painted design. And when it goes to the lower part, a completely half and half type it is done. Very elegant one. Very different one too, with the zari borders in both sides, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. Here we have a beautiful collection, colorful saree here. Royal blue and sea blue color occupies the saree all over. The pallu have stripes pattern also using cream color along with the zari lines. And here we have a beautiful blue blouse piece with one side green border. The royal blue comes in the bottom of the saree. The middle portion is completely sea blue. Top and bottom we have royal blue with the boat and butterfly, the water concept with beautiful hut and all. Parisil we call in Tamil these boats. And we have a top portion which is plain. Very elegant one. The hand painting is coming in both sides of the top and only one side at the bottom. Very elegant combination. Beautiful saree, completely hand painted, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on a boiled acid washed Tassa silk saree. It's very soft and lightweight, beautiful silk. And here we have a blue concept saree, royal blue as well as light sky blue color is also given in the saree with hand paints. And this light blue is the blouse piece here with dark blue in the one side border. Painting design also. It's a palm leaf design painted here and there. And we have a beautiful horse pattern drawn in the starting of the pallu. You can see beautifully it's been done using brown base colors and cream color. And the saree all over we have beautiful work, and completely middle part is light blue. On top and bottom we have royal blue with the palm leaf pattern painted. And the lower half of the saree near the leg portion also have the beautiful drawings. Really beautiful collection, completely blue for the blue lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, hand painted, very elegant acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, multicolored pallu. It is in the base of black. Multiple colors are given here with the leaf and a spiral pattern painted. And we have a contrast black blouse piece, complete black it is, contrast to the body. The zari border here is in black base, so it is done using the antique finish zari. You can see the beautiful work. And a very different pattern hand painted here. This is the starting of the body, the chest portion. You can see multiple colors used here, yellow, red, purple, and it goes on. And the red portion comes here, the maroonish red it is with the just painted design. And again the same semicircles pattern with multiple colors is given at the bottom of the saree. Really beautiful, very different design, completely hand painted. on a basic beautiful tussar, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant, acid washed boiled tussar fabric, lightweight, very elegant silk it is. And we have hand painting work in the saree completely. We have a multicolored pallu. You can see various colors in the pallu. Along with that, we have cream color hand paints in the pallu as well with the zari lines. And we have a contrast black blouse piece. Very beautiful color. Black blouse piece it is with the antique finish zari. The complete saree have the border in black only. So the contrast color, the antique finish zari is used all over. With the saree having a very elegant design. The top half is completely hand painted using the multiple colors. You can see base of green and all colors are used. Rainbow colored beautiful saree with the black starting in the top portion of the pleat, and it comes almost like a curvy portion. You can see almost half and half of the saree is black here in the bottom portion with the hand paints at the bottom. Really beautiful saree. It's a colorful saree too. Hand painted very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree. Hand painted, premium quality, very elegant, acid washed boiled tussar fabric, very lightweight, beautiful silk. And here we have a pallu in dual color, orange and yellow color in the vertical way, and we also have hand paints on the pallu with zari lines as well. Very beautiful pallu with the bright orange color. It is almost a rustic orange color. Blouse piece, a plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having beautiful zari borders on the yellow and orange light shade base, two shade color in the border design, and the saree here is also very elegant. The starting of the saree, the pallu is this, and you can see a beautiful dual tone color, both yellow and orange occupies the saree wholly. The top half we have the orange in the middle part, and both sides of the saree, top and bottom we have yellow with hand paints. In the lower half if we go, it comes like a half and half, and top is completely orange and yellow on the bottom. The butterfly design and the floral pattern is really elegant hand painting here using the contrast colors, and it comes with authentic silk mark.